My name's Sarah Argent. I'm the writer of Dilyn Fi. I love my job because it gives me the opportunity to read about children, observe children playing, spend time playing with children, working with actors, playing with actors, designers, directors, working together to create, we hope, beautiful pieces of theatre that will entertain, educate, engage children and their parents and teachers. I think theatre is really important to small children who are at a stage where they're experiencing big emotions, maybe for the first time, and through observing characters in plays they can see other people engaging in those emotions, so kind of put themselves in other people's shoes. They can experience joy and awe and wonder and fear and excitement, but in a safe environment. They can experience things with their friends, their parents, their grandparents, their teachers, and then talk about those experiences afterwards. And hopefully they'll hear beautiful music, see beautiful images, and just get to experience everything that theatre and the arts can do for adults. Why not for very small children?
Second question is,